In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Paydi in Amazon. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use Paydi as a payment method in Amazon Japan. So all that you have to do is proceed to checkout, add as many items as you want to your cart, and then when you proceed to checkout, you will be able to select the payment method. This is where you will be able to find Pay Later Paydi. So usually under other payment methods, you will see Paydi available. Choose it here when you reach the checkout page for your Amazon order. If you don't see Paydi here, then sadly it will not be usable for that specific purchase. So once you choose Paydi, you will be able to enter all of the details. Enter the details to register for a Paydi account. If you already have one, enter the email address and mobile number that you used when you registered with Paydi. So enter your phone name, email address, and mobile number. You can also set this as the default payment method, but of course this is optional, so not needed. Once you tap continue, if you already have an account, it will be detected, otherwise you will go through the sign up process. In here you will select your billing address, so choose one from the list if you have multiple, or you can even add new ones. And then once you have it selected, you will receive a one-time password. Make sure that you have it ready, good to go, and then agree and send one-time password. Once you receive the one-time password, usually through a notification on your phone, you input it here and confirm this purchase. Then finally, Paydi will be actually selected. You can then choose between a one-time payment or three instant interest-free monthly installments. You might see more payment options like 6 months instead, but sometimes it might not appear, so just choose from one of the available options here. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you use Paydi, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.